In this video, I will tell you how to unlock the borrow feature on Cash App. So first what you need to do is set up direct deposit because this is the most important step. Deposit at least $300 per month from your paycheck into your Cash App account. You can also connect information from an external bank account that shows at least $500 in monthly deposits. Next, get and use your Cash Card. If you do not already have one, open the Card tab and order the free Cash App card. Once you get the card, start using it regularly for purchases. This helps show Cash App that your account is active. After that, use Cash App often, send and receive money, pay bills, or buy and sell Bitcoin on a regular basis. Try to keep a clean account history with no chargebacks, reversals, or missed payments. Then keep money in your Cash App balance. Instead of cashing out all of your money right away, leave a positive balance in the account when possible. You also need to make sure your account meets the basic requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, live in a state where the borrow feature is available, and have an activated cash card. Having a good account history can also help, although some people with lower credit still get access. Next, update Cash App to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play so you have the newest features. After that, wait for the borrow feature to appear. Once you are eligible, borrow will show up in the balance tab on the main screen. Tap borrow, then tap unlock and choose the loan amount you want. Cash App usually offers up to $500. For first time borrowers, you may only be able to borrow up to $400 at first. Later, Cash App may increase your limit by another $100, bringing your total up to $500. That's how you unlock the borrow feature on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.